radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Gerson, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the weather radio's warning alarm system. This is the National Weather Service office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL 70. Automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. The weather radio station WXJ21 between 11 a.m. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe distances from the transmitter, in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL C27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, Mecklenburg, and Union. For the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee. For yesterday. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards 81 degrees occurred at 2.
was a quiet SVR.
Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, western Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, northern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, southeastern Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Halls Mills, or near McGrady, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkin, Trap Hill, McGrady, Wheel Bar, Mountain Park, Glendale Springs, and Roaring Gap. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, Southern Lancaster County in central South Carolina, Lee County in central South Carolina, Southwestern Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, Northwestern Spencer County in central South Carolina, East Central Richland County in central South Carolina, Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, Southern Lancaster County in central South Carolina, Lee County in central South Carolina, Southwestern Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, Northwestern Spencer County in central South Carolina. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sumter, Camden, East Harville, Shire Bays, Lake Watery. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located Lake Watery State Park, Westfield, Catholic, Elliott, State Park, Mountain Northeast at 50 miles, Sumter County Airport, Rudolph State Park.
And when we do sit on top of a little plateau, so the equivalent of it.
Camden, Israel, Shire Bays. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Springs, Mudall, Oakland, Libertyville, Lake Watery State Park, West Fairfield, and Lancaster, Lee State Park, Mount Pisgah, Longtown, Sumter County Airport, Rudolph State Park, and McBee. This includes Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 91 and 126. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, and Lancaster.
Just that hurt, boy, that hurt syndrome. We have to continue to have that community, that safe space.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in central North Carolina, southeastern Davidson County in central North Carolina, west central Harnett County in central North Carolina, Montgomery County in central North Carolina, southern Randolph County in central North Carolina, Stanley County in central North Carolina, southwestern Lee County in central North Carolina, northwestern Oak County in central North Carolina, southwestern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairview and Union County to near Biscoe to 6 miles southeast of Aberdeen, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicator. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Albemarle, Southern Pines, Troy, Carthage, Bacon Lake, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Biscoe, and Goldston. This includes the following highways: US1 near mile marker 69, Interstate 73 between mile markers 37 and 66. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following miles per hour in North Carolina, penny-sized hail, Montgomery, and Stanley. Radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Albemarle, Southern Pines, Troy, Carthage, Bacon Lake, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Biscoe, and Goldston. This includes the following highways: US1 near mile marker 69, Interstate 73 between mile markers 57 and 66. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Montgomery, and Stanley. The thing The The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County and central North Carolina, northern Montgomery County and central North Carolina, southeastern Randolph County and central North Carolina, northwestern Lee County and central North Carolina, Chatham County and central North Carolina, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact. Expect thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County and central North Carolina, northern Montgomery County and central North Carolina, southeastern Randolph County and central North Carolina, northwestern Lee County and central North Carolina. Daylight time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Seagrove to Middle in Robbins. This includes Interstate 73 between mile markers. Of a building. Repeating, a severe suspect's damage to room issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, and Randolph. Goldston, Seagrove, Baden, Ramseur, Franklinville, and Robbins. This includes Interstate 73 between mile markers 52 and 69. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Montgomery, North Carolina. Worship. Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Moore County, southeastern Randolph County, northern Lee County, central Chatham County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Goldston, or 11 miles south of Siler City, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sanford, Pittsboro,
Those have to be eminent.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Lee, Moore, and Randolph. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County and central North Carolina, northwestern Montgomery County and central North Carolina, southern Randolph County and central North Carolina, eastern Stanley County. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County and central North Carolina, northwestern Montgomery, central North Carolina. Southern Randolph County and Central North Carolina. Eastern Stanley County and Central North Carolina until 10:15 p.m. Impact include Asheboro, a severe north degrees. Tomorrow, please go. KCTK. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Montgomery, Norwood, Baden, and Starr. The National Weather Service generally has issued a severe thunderstorm on the 77. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Stanley County.
Oh, they ended.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Albemarle, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asheboro, Albemarle, Troy, North Carolina Zoo, Maiden Lake, Peaceville, Seagrove, Norwood, Baden, and Starr. This includes Interstate 73 between mile markers 51 and 77. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Montgomery, Moore, Randolph, and Stanley.